How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get veins to pop out of your hands step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So let's get started. I love doing extensions. So 20 reps, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I will show you guys my veins too at the end of the video, just so you guys can see them. So take a little break. Next exercise that we're gonna do is the claw stretch. So what we do is we get our fingers, and then all we're gonna do is we're gonna squeeze them super tight, and we're gonna hold this position. It's all about squeezing. That's kind of the point of the exercise. If you do this exercise and you're not squeezing, the exercise is pointless and your veins aren't gonna pop. Like right now, I'm looking at my veins in my hands. I can literally see them not pulsating, but I can see veins. I can see them very, very clearly from doing this exercise. But I'm squeezing super hard. You can see my fingers are getting a little bit yellow, a little bit white. That's because I'm squeezing so hard, you guys. So make sure you squeeze. That's kind of the point of the exercise. Take a quick little break. Next exercise is gonna be holding our hands like this and then just curling. So 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise is going to be finger curls. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. Next exercise. Okay, I'll just kind of show you my veins right now. Midway, you can see them right here. Look at my veins. You can see all of them just pop in. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna get our hands and we're gonna squeeze. So hold this for 15 seconds. Squeeze as hard as you can. So again, these exercises work. I mean, you guys just seen the veins in my hand, and the lighting in this room isn't that good, to be honest. Like, my veins look way more popping, if you will. They pop way more in the other bedroom. Okay, so then we're gonna end the video with some curls. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.